chama cha ODM Nikyathingiliila Kana Kiendeea Kwikala Silikalini ya Borad-Based Nginya Mwakani huangilile miongoni na mwonzao na Itina wa Kuwetwa Kana Vena Muaaniko Uendeeye Ukusiiwa Kyamani Aineena Itina wa Kikalo cha Nzama Nene ya Kyamaki Muandiki Munene Wakyo Edwin Sifuna Ingi Niwaweta Kana Kuendeea na wendi waula unai Mutongoi wa Kyamaki murutia Raila Odinga na kuidhiwa nandi kana wa kuidhiwa nandi ngwatanio Ingi maithingiliila Kana Mendeea Kwikala ungua Mutongoi mwao Seneta Odinga Benjamin Mwaka nukuelezea.
Umbanone uwambe wa ODM impya fakuvisi umwele kuma Mutongoi wa Raila Odinga hati wanethayo. Mutongoi wa yuluvyo wa Kyamaki no walumilelia nukuendeea kukwatia mawendi na mipango yoonthele na ingone ya mututi Raila Odinga takwikala Silikalini ya Borad-Based.
We reiterate the commitment of the party to the broad-based government until 2027. A relationship guided by the 10-point agenda entered into for the sake of peace and stability of the country. Raila, the statesman, would never countenance personal ambition burning the nation. It is with this in mind that we now call upon the leadership and membership of the party to rally around the late leader's dreams and desires for this beloved movement and work together. Certainly, no one will be able to fill the massive shoes left by Raila, but together, the unity of purpose will be a key cog towards navigating the next 15 months. Asante sana.
Wikilio huo Munene wikanota chama nimekuimia ngwatanio na Kuwetwa pamwe atetio nthini wa ODM Niwaweta niguo na iwendi wa Mutongoi wo.
Baba built this movement on the foundation of values of democracy, equity, inclusion and truth. ODM is not just a political party, it is a covenant that we, the living, must now renew. Let us resist the temptation to scatter in despair or to fight over his political inheritance, as leaders often do when giants fall. We commit here in unison that, as we did during the funeral, that we will not be responsible for any breakup in the party or any unnecessary political turbulence that runs counter to Jacom's dream.
Na yunza maya kati ya ODM ni aikithia Vena mwikio na utongoi wa Seneta Odinga mwana inya wa mututi Raila kuendeea kutongoesi ODM to Mutongoi wo kwatie mwana nyono.
That we endorse Honorable Dr. Oginga as the new acting party leader and urge the party rank and file to accord him all the necessary support and cooperation to enable him guide the party through this difficult time.
Ingi ni maikithia chama kithwa na mivango mingi kwambia mwai ukite kivo chake cha kutania miaka miongweli tha ODM.
We shall honor him here on earth by strengthening existing branches and opening new ones to allow as many of his supporters as possible stay closely with him via the party. That as part of the strengthening and spreading the reach of the party, the ODM at 20 celebrations will proceed on the 14th, 15th and 16th of November in Mombasa County, accompanied by activities aimed at cementing the unity and solidarity within the party.
Kuma vamos inovi delivotia vilingwa mavonye nito Benjamin Mwakani.